Hello guys! So this is Cebu, Shangri-La Mactan. Wow! Sulit na sulit. I hope you like it. There you go. 360 view nung resort na pinuntahan namin dito sa Cebu, Shangri-La Mactan. Saan ka pa? Yan yung mga nakikita natin mga fishing show sa YouTube. Yan. Natin ko ng mga crustaceans ang meron dito. Nagsa-Sunday, kami nagsa-swimming. Di ba pa-outside yung buwi? Ha? So pa-outside ng buwi dapat. That's the buwi, right? Yeah, yellow. Yeah. Ito sa area na to, kapansin nyo, no? Parang nature area na to. Trying the sound stage, Makakara OKC. I don't know, ikot tayo. No, sabi na dali nilang daw sa room yung luggage.
But we can check in yet?
No, maybe we can ask. Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Paano namin malalaman if ready na yung room?
You have your access card po.
Wala pa. Makaka-check in pa
okay.
supposed to.
I'll borrow all the IDs po, sir, para registration.
Okay, registration. Yung youngest namin, virtual ID.
Sige lang po.
Okay.
Ay, sila actually lahat yung mga kids meron.
Wala kaming local number eh. So,
sige lang po. We can contact your international number po.
Okay.
Is it roaming po sa phone niyo?
Hindi, WhatsApp meron ako.
Meron. Kids can QR code po pala. So,
okay.
You can message through WhatsApp.
Okay.
So I would like to verify the booking. This is for 2 nights stay for 3 adults and 1 child. You book for our family only. Yes. So the booking is already paid, sir. I'll be needing deposit lang. That would be 5,000 per night.
Can we just give a credit card?
Certainly. Credit card or cash will be.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. So everything all good? Oh, nice. This is where we're going. Oh, diba? Nice view. Go.
Wait for me. There.
So bababa tayo.
Look forward, right?
Punta muna tayo sa playground ni Clark. First time namin dito. Pasensya na, medyo against the light tayo. Okay, resort clinic. Okay, tayo pumunta. You have a balloon thingy there. So ito yung ano niya. Atrium shop, lobby, over beach, splash beach. You want that, Clark? You want a balloon? Want? Maybe no.
So where's the adventure zone?
You don't want balloon twisting? Hmm? Ang ganda ng area na yun, eh. So, ito yung isa sa mga restaurants nila. Are you...
Soaking it all in.
Yep. Teka, nawawala tayo eh.
Dito, ayun o, adventure zone.
To the playground. Go! Get it? Okay, throw it. Go. Yes! Good job. Tawa na yung ba. Kaya malamig eh. Yung mga magulang masaya dito kasi malamig.
눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고
Ang laro ng bata. Pero maganda dito ha. Subukan natin. Labasan natin lahat ng galit na dito. Yeah. Woo! Whoa! There you go. Wow, nice. We can go to the other room. Ang dami pa natin pwedeng gawin.
Okay, do you want big token pa?
Oh yeah, just let him finish it.
You want more? You want fishing more? Okay.
Oh! Tingnan nyo to guys. Meron siyang parang jungle feel. Diba? One with the nature. Look at that. Yan. At least, medyo mas nararamdaman nung dalawa naming anak na nasa bakasyon sila dito sa lugar na to. Kasi nga, ang daming pwedeng gawin. Yung kanina, may parang arcade. Meron din yung parang jungle gym na pwedeng puntahan kung saan may ball pit. So, yeah, iikutin natin yan lahat para at least mapakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin dito sa Shangri-La, Mactan, Cebu. Isa to sa mga lugar na kailangan yung puntahan dito sa Shangri-La, Cebu, Mactan. So normally, sabi nila, mayroon daw nagpa-perform dyan sa stage na yan. As you can see. So, titignan natin kung mayroon magpa-perform dyan mamayang gabi. The only downside is that pag nagpunta ka kasi dito, wala silang comfort room. Ang sabi nila, kapag kailangan mong mag-washroom, kailangan mong pumunta doon sa main building nila. At doon ka makakapag-washroom. So yung kanina pinuntahan natin is itong E-Zone. Kung naghahanap kayo ng lugar para makapag-enjoy ng arcade, you know, play some games with your kids, yan, this is the area na kailangan yung puntahan. Tapos, kailangan daw yung suot ng anak nyo is may rash guard at saka dapat may suot na socks. Good morning! And then, meron din sila ditong fee kung pupunta ka dito sa mas malaking play area nila. Yan, this one is for free. Hahanap muna tayo kung nasaan yung washroom nila. So, yung fee dito is I think 400 pesos for 1 hour. Good na yun for that duration. And then meron din silang mga other fees na ipapakita ko dyan sa screen nyo kung gusto nyo ng mas less than an hour or more than an hour. So medyo madami kang option na pwedeng pagpilian doon sa kids zone na yun, or adventure park or adventure area dito sa Shangri-La Mactan. So kanina ino-offeran kami na mag-upgrade ng room. Ang additional fee na sinasabi nila is I think 15,000 per night. Mahal naman. No. And then ito, meron nga silang meeting rooms, lounge dito sa area na to, resort clinic. Ayun, hanapin natin kung saan ang kanilang washroom. Sabi sa main building, so we'll see. Maybe go in this area. Excuse me. Saan yung washroom nyo? Yes. Okay. Alright, thank you. Beside the staircase. So, isa to sa isang mga restaurants. Fine na yung restaurant dito sa Shangri-La, Cebu. PF Spring. That's the name. Anong oras kaya sila nagbubukas? Ayan. Ito na ang washroom. Medyo malayo-layo talaga. Bale, ito pa yung isa nilang restaurant. Ang tawag dito is Tides. Good morning. And then, meron sila dito ang dress code. So, if ever kakain kayo dito, make sure nyo lang na i-follow yung dress code na kailangan nila sa area na to. Ayan, akit tayo sa taas. Check natin kung okay na yung room natin. Malay nyo, pwede na, diba? Para at least, yung mag-anak natin ay makapagbihis na at ma-enjoy natin yung outdoor area natin for our lunch. And check-in na tayo. 6087. Nice. Go ahead. Ay, the key.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone's in there.
Oh, someone's in there.
It's you. Oh, come on.
Push it.
Yay!
Hold it. So, yeah. Okay.
Where's your bed from?
Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay. Yan tayo sa 6087 na room, no? So pagpasok mo from the door itself, on your left, meron kang walk-in closet. No? You have your safe, yung typical, your bathrobe, and ang kagandahan dito, meron silang pinaprovide na indoor and outdoor shoes. Diba? And then, lagay mo dyan yung luggage mo. And then you have your, closet here.
Nice room.
Yeah, nice room. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah. And then another closet on the other side. Ayan. Alright. Hindi ko napapakabukas. And then meron kang full-length mirror. Hello. So, extra pillows up top. Ayan, makikita nyo. And then, itong room namin, it's a family room. So, it comes with a dalawang queen bed. Ang kagandahan nga nito, dahil sinabi namin na meron kaming toddler, they even provided small slippers. Ganyan naman yan.
And even they have it for Clark.
What's that?
Chair, like
Oh, wow! And then they provided a small bed here para kay Clark. Parang dining table area. You have parang living space. And then ito daw, you're provided 4 bottles of water on a daily basis. Pinapalitan daw yung nilaga nila. Kung kailangan mo daw ng mas madami pa, just dial 0 and then magdadala sila ng additional water. Sa baba naman, meron din silang kasamang fridge. And dun sa fridge, yung mga drinks daw na yan, those are paid drinks. So, may bayad yan kung gusto mo siyang inumin. And then, ice bucket, kettle. And then you have your glasses right about there. TV, right? And then, yeah, this room is very spacious. Saktong-sakto. And then, ang ating balcony, pakita natin dito. So, this is the balcony. Ayan. Ang sabi nung tumulong sa amin na pumasok dito sa room na to is dapat daw lagi mong i-maintain na nakasara yung doors or yung sliding doors. Dahil pag naiwan daw yan, even an inch gap, mag-automatic daw na mamamatay yung kuryente doon sa loob ng room. I guess that's a good feature in a way, no? Para at least malaman mo na you're really trying to minimize yung escape yung malamig na hangin sa loob. In the same time, you know, driving energy cost and usage down, making sure na nakasara yan. Kung nakalabas yan, talaga namang lalabas lang yung lamig, no? And then yung AC, talagang magpapump lang yan ng malamig na hangin. As you can see, yan ang ating view. So you can see the pool, yung beach up front. Lahat ng yan pupuntahan natin later on. Pero gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo na ito yung room na naibigay sa amin, which is nasa main wing. Not bad, right? Sabi ko kanina, ino-offeran kami to upgrade our room to a suite for an additional 15,000 per night na fee. So, 30,000 yon if we're spending 2 nights, 3 days. Sabi namin, hindi na lang. Gamitin na lang namin yung fund na yan para sa paggamit namin ng amenities dito sa Shangri-La Mactan. Pasok tayo sa loob. And then, proceed tayo dito sa washroom. Ayan, no? So, double sink. Ganda. And then, ito yung isa pang kinatuwa ni Joyce dahil nga meron kaming toddler, 5-year-old. They even provided a step stool para makapaghugas siya ng kamay. Maabot niya yung sink. So, yung mga small touches na yan, na-appreciate talaga ni Joyce. And then, meron siyang parang vanity kit din provided, no, para magamit for our stay here. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa toilet. No? Meron siyang, comes with a bidet. No? Phone, standard. You have your bathtub. And then, a huge stand-up shower. Ganda, di ba? So again, I think this is well worth it. No? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, matagal-tagal talaga bago kami nakabalik dito sa Cebu. And I think di kasi itong lugar na to, napaka-memorable sa amin ni Joyce. Dito kami actually nag-spend ng honeymoon namin from the time na kinasal kami way back in 2007. And so, it's just right na dalhin namin si Clark dito kasi si Cal nadala namin dito when he was, I think, 2 or 3 years old. So, instead of going directly doon sa pinagstayan namin, which is yung Hilton, nakita namin to na mas maganda yung deal. So, why not just go here? Katabi lang naman yung hotel, no? So, kaya na-decide namin na dito yung gawin naming pa-experience na lugar para kay Cal. And not to mention, dahil mag-celebrate din tayo ng birthday ni Calvin. Yes, happy birthday, Cal!
Happy birthday!
Birthday niya sa March 17. So, this is part of his celebration. So, yung kanina pumasok, yung kumakatok, anong ginagawa nila?
Kung everything is okay daw. So.
Wow, so ganun sila kaalaga sa mga new, I guess, visitor or guest nila. Talagang they ask someone to knock in and ask kung okay lang ba ang lahat. We find everything all good. And then, yeah, just making sure na happy kami dito sa room natin. Look at this, guys. So, ito pa yung isang pool dito sa Shangri-La Cebu Mactan. Ang tawag is Ocean View Pool. Oh, so may restaurant din doon. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Uy, punta tayo dun sa gazebo. There. Near, parang lighthouse area. Oh, this is the beach.
Beach Breeze. It's a restaurant.
Ang difference dito, walang slide. Dun sa kabila meron. Ito tayo sa Beach Breeze Restaurant. So, ito pala yung area na pwede kang kumain sa beachfront. Morning. For snorkel. And then you have that island there. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, so dito ka ata mag-rent. Ang dami kasi pwedeng puntahan kaya hindi namin alam kung saan kayo mag-uumpisa. Ayun yung sports activity. Hello! Glass bottom boat. Yung, what do you call this? Jet ski, is it here? This side? Jet ski rental? Ito. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Hello.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. If let's say mag-decide kami for jet ski, kailangan ba magpa-book dyan?
Yes, sir. Kasi we only have limited time slot
Okay.
and limited unit din po, sir.
And then halimbawa, if we decided initially 30 minutes lang,
Yes,
if
sir.
makita namin na kulang, can we upgrade to an hour?
Yes, pwede naman po.
Pwede naman din. Okay. Ano yung mga available schedule?
Today, sir, if you want afternoon,
Mhm.
available starting at 12.
Okay.
12 until 3:15, sir.
Until 3:15?
Yes.
4 o'clock wala na?
Yeah, wala na. May nakabook na po, sir.
May nakabook na. So, up to 3:15?
Yes po. But if you just want 30 minutes, sir, that's 3:15 to 3:45.
Yeah. Okay, sige. I'll talk to my son.
Okay.
And then, in terms of, kasi magpapalitan kami kasi bata kami.
Yes, sir.
Wala namang kailangan anything or meron bang additional fee? Depende
Wala naman, sir. But however, for the age limit po, we allow like driving by themselves.
Okay.
They're 18 up.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
but if they're below, they can still drive. However, you need to be
may kasama.
Yes.
Okay,
so,
sige.
may adult
na supervision.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Okay, yan. Sige.
Okay,
I'll just come back to reconfirm.
Sure.
Thank
No
you.
problem.
Okay.
Sir.
So, up to from 12 o'clock to 3:15, available yung jet ski. So, yeah. Magbubook tayo niyan for sure. Para ma-experience ni Calvin yung ganyang klaseng activity. So, ang dami pang pwedeng ikutan doon. Kaso, sabi nila mag-swimming na muna daw. So, mag-swimming tayo. I think they preferred yung may slide. So, doon tayo pupunta. Hanggang ngayon, minsan hindi mo pa rin talagang mag-grasp that you're here. No, na praise the Lord. We thank His blessings, no, na nakakapunta tayo sa ganitong lugar. Really, gustong-gusto talaga namin dito sa Cebu. People are very friendly. Gusto lang namin yung mga resort. They have their own respective beach fronts na pwede mong enjoy. Ang warm ng tubig. See, float. That's so good. I'm holding you. Ang warm ng tubig.
I love it.
Hindi siya malamig. Yeah. Yung tipong parang bababa ka lang.
Hindi na malalim.
It's not.
Yeah.
Ay, ang lawan.
Hey, don't drink the water.
The water.
I want to drink water.
You wanna lay down?
Yeah.
Oh, di ba?
In a fountain.
Bonding ng magkapatid.
See, I'm like
No, he doesn't know kasi how to balance it. He's just following where it flows. See? And first time ni Clark. Si Clark lang yung parang anak namin na wala lang. Tama lang siya talaga. Si Calvin, I remember, medyo ayaw niya ng sand. Natatakot siya sa tubig. Si Clark, sasama lang. Sama lang siya. Oh. Solo namin yung pool. All the rest ng mga guests dito is nagsa-sunbathe. Kami nagsaswimming. Oh, iba talaga. Yes, Kuya, your favorite person?
Yes, my favorite of Kuya.
Mommy or Kuya?
Mommy, I go to
Fine. Hindi malamig, no? It's not cold? The water is not cold?
Yes,
Yes, you like it. Yeah.
I like my Mommy out.
Itong restaurant na to, kung nakikita niyo yung restaurant na to, it's called Aqua. Saan usually nag-serve ng seafood buffet. So meron kang kiddie pool over here. And then medyo bigger size pool on this side. Balik tayo. Akit muna tayo dito. Tignan natin yung slide nila. May washroom din pala dito. May washroom, oh. Hindi pala pwedeng adult. So walang slide for adult? Sayang, hindi kami makapag-slide. Mga nag-iisip bata eh. So pati pala yan, yung pool na nandyan na blue. Pang 5 and below lang ang pwedeng gumamit. Ang ganda naman ng view dito. Pwede ba dito mag-night swimming?
Yung kaninang pool natin ng 6 p.m. lang.
Okay. Mamaya i-check natin kung pwede mag-night swimming dito. Sarap siguro mag-swim dito ng gabi. No, after mong kumain. So ikot-ikot muna tayo, no? Pag meron ako ng panibagong nakitang area na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, no, i-on natin uli yung camera natin. So guys, nag-swimming tayo at nandito tayo sa Buko Bar. Ito yung menu nila. As you can see, yung price points nila would range from 340 pesos to as high as 900 pesos. Yeah, no. Ensaladas, you have sides, and then dessert, sweets. Then you have sandwiches over here. Ito, susubukan ko to sa burgers. Ito, barbecue liempo burger. 820.
Liempo burger din?
Yeah, 820 pesos. So, susubukan ko yan. Ngayon ko lang narinig yan eh. Bigyan ko kayo ng feedback kung masarap. Para kung mapunta man kayo dito, mas pwede nyo subukan if ever interested kayo. Ito na guys, yung ating barbecue liempo burger. Oh, wow. Comes with fries and veggie. Tikman natin. Si Joyce, ang in-order niya is chicken and asal. And then chicken nuggets for Clark with fries. And then, ano yung sa'yo? Smoking black burger? Opo. Oh. Yan yung isa sa mga pinakamasarap na gawin after mo mag-swim eh. Yung kumain. Kasi nakakagutom eh after mong magtampisaw sa beach. Siguro tatlong yun ang verdict. Ang verdict is okay lang siya, nothing special. Ayan o. Hindi ko na naubos yung bread eh kasi okay naman siya kaso parang overwhelming. Yeah. Sa akin na gusto ko. Yeah. Mukhang masarap nga yung inasal mo. Anyway, yun ang verdict natin. Next natin would be to have a dessert. So maghahalo-halo tayo. Ang real halo-halo. Diba? Nasa talagang ano pa ng buko. Shell ng buko. Yan. So guys, meron din silang complimentary activity dito. So naisipan ni Cal subukan na mag-archery. Ayan. So susubok tayo. Tingnan natin. First time natin ito gagawin. Tingnan natin kung papasa. Ooh, okay. Wow! The hang of it. So another activity area. So ayan, may billiards, table tennis. And then kung mapapansin nyo, may parang big Jenga blocks. Diba? Kaya, daming pwedeng gawin. Yun yung maganda kasi you don't have to go anywhere else. So ngayon, pahinga muna siguro tayo sa room. And then, recharge lang ng konti. And then later in the afternoon, balik ulit tayo sa labas to enjoy the afternoon sun at saka yung beach. Ito pa yung nakita namin. So meron ditong Manila Creamery. I'm pretty sure this is ice cream. And then pwede ka maglaro ng gigantic chess. Yan, lalaroin ni Cal yan mamaya for sure. Medyo presko dito sa area na to. Mapapansin nyo, no? Parang ang nature ng area na to. Pupunta kami ulit dito sa arcade. Lamang may mga tao na dito. Kanina kasi solo namin eh. So isa sa mga activity na pwede nyong gawin dito is actually Zumba session. Meron sila afternoon session dito sa area. Ayan, makikita nyo. Ayan, oh. May Zumba area sila dyan. So that starts around 5 o'clock. No, and you could just go in and then mag-Zumba na kayo. So guys, nandito tayo sa the lounge ng Shangri-La Hotel Mactan. And yung water nila dito is, it's called Hope. Wala silang service water dito. So, ang magbabayad ka ng tubig dito. Yeah, the price of this one is 270 pesos. So, baka mapaisip ka kung dito ka ba kakain. Nag-merienda lang kami dito. Expecting na yung free kasi may service water sila sa mga ibang restaurants like yung Tides, and then what's the other one? The Buko Bar. So you can get water there for free, but here sa lounge, this is the only water that they serve, which will cost you 270 pesos. So something to think about.
Alam mo nang bakit?
Ano?
Kasi people that go to the lobby, ito yung closest kainan, di ba? Hindi lang sila ng water.
Para maging ano, para they made it premium. Dahil nga ito yung closest. Pero yung restaurant is one flight of stairs pababa eh. So, hindi ko lang mag-gets yung difference.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine.